Hi, my name is Meher.
Hi, my name is Arundhati Sharma.
Hello, my name is Mankirat.
Hi, my name is Asmita Sharma.
Hi everyone, my name is Amrit Sidhu and I am a team member of the group Train Initiative.
Hi, my name is Shivani.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you all know that our channel always bring different DIY techniques and reusing techniques which are obviously in the favor of sustainability. So now we are going to talk about sustainability in fashion. What is sustainability and why we need sustainability in the fashion zone? This video will not include only two faces, but we will see different faces in this video as it's a group assignment and they are going to show you, plus we are going to show you different techniques how you can make your own garments using sustainability. Our group Trend Initiators has taken the initiative to change various patterns in fashion keeping in mind the project of sustainability. So our group has made different types of skirts to contribute and present sustainable fashion. As budding designers, it is our responsibility to take the right path and enlighten everyone. So before presenting the work, we would like to put light on what sustainability actually is and its role in fashion. Sustainable clothing refers to fabrics derived from natural resources such as fiber from natural crops or recycled materials. It also refers to how these fabrics are produced. So, sustainability is important for many reasons, including environmental quality. When textile clothing ends up in landfills, the chemicals on the clothes, such as dye, can cause environmental damage. So the clothing made from sustainable practices reduce water consumption and environmental damage. The point is, how can you be more sustainable in fashion? The first thing is be more informative. Research. Just investigate a little bit before making a purchase and just write down the basic options you know or you get that are selling the sustainable products and just pen down the options and choose the best one. Second is change your attitude towards shopping. Buy only those things which you need. Quit blind buying. Third is buy all season clothes. Buy the clothes or some special pieces that you can wear all over the seasons, like basic t-shirts, jeans or sweaters. Fourth is donate your unwanted clothes. It's a good cause. Learn how to repair your clothes yourself or find a good tailor. Just repair. Like when something is ripped off, just repair it by yourself or get it tailored instead of throwing it away. Go for quality over quantity. Reuse the old fabrics and convert them to something new. For example, you can use your brother's shirt or your dad's shirt to just convert it in your skirt or a crop top. When the fabric is not in the condition to use, just use it as a waste fabric for cleaning. So this was all for our side, and now we are going to present you what our group has made.
So this year for my commercial clothing class, I've decided to use leftover scraps or discarded clothing to make new garments. I found this a perfect way to reduce fabric wastage and also to save money. So the first garment that I've made is a skirt, a basic skirt. I've used fabric from a discarded turban to make flounces at the hem for it. I've used leftover scraps from a kurti to make patch pockets, and from a discarded shirt, I've made flaps for the patch pocket. The base fabric and the lining of the skirts has been made from leftover scraps from previous semester's work. And to accessorize that skirt, I've made a potli bag and a scrunchie to go along with it.
So guys, I have made a skirt reusing the old fabric, keeping in mind the principles of sustainability. Say yes to second-hand clothing.
For skirts, our theme is sustainability. So in that, basically I have chosen the patchwork technique. So I have made, by using that technique, I have made a pencil skirt of denim, And I have used the denim fabric because it's easy to wear in summers, in winters, in every season. So it's very comfortable to wear. So I have used the patches from the old jeans that I have, like कोई पुरानी jeans जितनी भी पड़ी है घर पे उसके छोटे छोटे patches लेके I have reconnected them, rearranged, and I have made the pencil skirt. That's it.
So guys, I have made a skirt using old top to contribute towards sustainability in fashion. So learn to repair and use DIY.
For the skirts, our theme was sustainability, and my bit to sustainability was for my skirt using linen fabric, which was biodegradable, sustainable, and a great name in fashion industry for its moth resistance power and a bit towards environment. And the other reason was because it suits my body type. I prefer A-line skirts with high waist belts, and this was all, and my motto was saying yes to eco-friendly fabrics. Thank you.
Our theme was sustainability. For my skirt, I reused the leftover fabrics and the fabric was rayon. My skirt was basic skirt with some variations like gathers at front and back, patch pocket with flap at front, and my motto was consume less and share better. Thank you.
That was an amazing work done by our group, and I'm seriously just impressed by all the efforts plus the outcomes. At last, we would like to thank our teacher Dr. Anu for giving us such a wonderful assignment. It is because of her we came to know about so many things in sustainability, and from now onwards we are going to change our path and contributing to every sustainable step we can. So guys, that's all from our side. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, make sure to like, comment and subscribe
share.
to our channel if you are new. And do share our video. Bye.